I bought this 1976 Peugeot 204 for parts only, but it hasn't been running since 1996, so I had to check what's going on in the oil pan. Well, two things shocked me. First of all, when I took off the oil plug, it was easy to take. I thought it would be totally welded from rust. Well, the second thing was that there was actually oil in it. There was actually oil inside the engine. Real oil.
No.
Liquid. No sludge or anything like that. I was amazed. Especially when you're considering that we're living in a very hot climate. By the way, I know this car looks very rusty and dead, and it actually is. There is no floor or strong frame. But it did donated me some good parts for my own 72 Peugeot 204. I have been restoring it for almost 5 years, and it is now very close to the final stage of restoration. I'm considering to post more about the restoration on this channel. Tell me if you want to see some about it. Well, while the oil was draining, I decided to remove the drive shaft. And also the one on the other side.
פשוט easy peasy מה שנקרא.
Well, I think that's it. There was about 1.5 liters of oil inside there.